The question asks whether x is less than negative 3 for sure. And statement 1 says that x squared is greater than 9. Now remember, when you square root both sides, usually you have to consider a positive and a negative case. The positive case here is that x is greater than 3. The negative case is that x is less than negative 3. But remember, the question sim also tells us that x is negative, which means x can't be greater than 3. So I can ignore the positive case here. And I know now that x is less than negative 3, making statement 1 sufficient to answer the question. So the correct answer must be A or D. So let's look at statement 2 now, which says that x cubed is less than negative 9. So now I need to take the cube root of both sides. Well, I don't know the cube root of negative 9, but I do know that the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. And I also know that the cube root of negative 27 is negative 3, which means I'm going to estimate that the cube root of negative 9 is somewhere around negative 2.1. Now, if x is less than negative 2.1, well, maybe it's something like negative 2.5, which is not less than negative 3. But maybe it's something like negative 14, which is less than negative 3. So since I don't know whether x is less than negative 3, statement 2 is not sufficient to answer that question above, making the correct answer A.